I got you, girl. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a problem that affects so many of us, especially after summer. Cracked heels. I know, it's not the most glamorous topic, but trust me, you need this. If you suffer from cracked heels, you know just how uncomfortable and painful they can be. Not cute, right? But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you some easy and effective home remedies to get soft, smooth heels without spending a fortune. Okay, let's start with a super simple one that you can do right before you hit the hay. You'll need a generous amount of Vaseline and a pair of soft, comfy socks. And trust me, we're going in with a generous amount of Vaseline. Think of it as a deeply hydrating mask, but for your heels. Before bed, apply the Vaseline to your cracked heels and don't be shy. Really massage it in gently. Like, really work it in there. You want your heels to feel like they're swimming in moisture. Then slip on those soft socks. This is key because it helps the Vaseline to penetrate deeper and really work its magic overnight. Plus, it keeps your sheets clean. The Vaseline helps to lock in moisture and heal those cracks while you sleep. It's literally beauty sleep for your feet. Next up, we have a remedy that's as refreshing as it is effective. It's time for a little spa treatment for your feet, honey. For this one, you'll need some fresh lemon juice and honey. Mix equal parts lemon juice and honey in a basin of warm water. You want the water to be warm, not hot, to soften the skin. Now soak your feet for about 15 minutes. The acidity of lemon is like a gentle peel for your feet. It helps remove dead skin, while honey's natural moisturizing and antibacterial properties work wonders on healing cracks and softening your skin. This is one of my personal favorites because it's so relaxing and makes your feet smell amazing. Next, we're going tropical with coconut oil. Who doesn't love a little coconut, right? It's amazing for your skin, hair, cooking, you name it. And guess what? It works wonders on your feet too. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer and has antifungal properties, which are perfect for healing dry, cracked heels. Now scoop a generous amount of coconut oil. We want the good stuff. And massage it onto your feet, really focusing on the cracked areas. Leave it on for a few hours or even better, overnight for intense hydration. And if you're feeling fancy, throw on some socks to lock in all that moisture. You'll wake up with baby soft feet. Now for those of you who like a little more action, this last remedy is for you. We're going to whip up a simple but oh so effective sugar scrub. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use regular white sugar or brown sugar with 1 tablespoon of olive oil or honey. I like to switch it up depending on what I have in my kitchen. Now gently scrub your heels with this mixture for about 5 minutes. You want to focus on the rough areas and really work that scrub in. The sugar crystals act as a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin, while the olive oil or honey moisturizes and softens. This is like a mini facial for your feet. These simple home remedies will leave your heels feeling soft and smooth in no time. But remember, consistency is key. Loves. Make these treatments part of your regular routine and you'll be amazed by the difference. Just remember to moisturize regularly, wear comfortable shoes, and avoid walking barefoot on rough surfaces. And drink lots of water. Hydration is key for your whole body, including your feet. Thanks for watching. If you found these remedies helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of your feet.